Hi there, I'm Mrs. English. Today we'll practice 200 sentences together to help you speak with confidence. Listen, repeat, and remember, you can pause anytime. If you find this lesson helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to join our classroom. And don't forget to share this with a friend who is also learning. Ready? Let's begin. A nurse helps sick people. Nurses work in hospitals. She is a nurse. He wants to be a nurse. The nurse is very kind. Nurses wear white uniforms. My sister is a nurse. The nurse checks my temperature. Nurses work very hard. Do you know a nurse? The nurse smiles at me. Nurses help doctors every day. She works at the hospital. The nurse gives me medicine. I want to thank the nurse. Nurses take care of patients. The nurse is in the room. He talks to the nurse. Nurses work day and night. The nurse writes on paper. She checks the patient's heart. The nurse brings me water. Nurses are very important people. The nurse asks how I feel. I feel better after seeing the nurse. Do nurses work on weekends? Yes, nurses work every day. The nurse takes my blood pressure. She is a good nurse. Nurses help children and adults. The nurse shows me my room. He is not a nurse. Nurses study for many years. The nurse prepares the medicine carefully. I trust my nurse completely. The nurse calls the doctor now. Nurses wash their hands often. The nurse is wearing blue today. She walks to the patient's bed. The nurse explains everything to me. Nurses need to be patient. The nurse listens to my problems. I am waiting for the nurse. The nurse will come very soon. Nurses care about their patients deeply. The nurse checks my medicine list. She works the night shift tonight. Nurses must be strong and healthy. The nurse helps me stand up. Do you want to be a nurse? Nurses learn about the human body. The nurse is checking the computer screen. She will give me an injection. I do not like injections much. The nurse says it will not hurt. Nurses teach patients about their health. The nurse shows me how to take medicine. He asks the nurse many questions today. Nurses answer questions with patience and care. The nurse is going to help me walk. She puts a bandage on my arm. Nurses work in different hospital departments. The nurse works in the emergency room. Some nurses work with babies only. The nurse is very gentle with children. Nurses must think quickly in emergencies. The nurse calls my family for me. She tells them I am doing well. Nurses keep medical records up to date. The nurse writes everything in my file. I feel safe when the nurse is here. Nurses monitor patients all through the night. The nurse checks on me every hour. She makes sure I am comfortable now. Nurses bring food to patients at mealtimes. The nurse helps me eat my dinner. I cannot eat everything on my plate. The nurse says I should drink water. Nurses remind patients to take their medicine. The nurse gives me my pills now. She watches me take all the medicine. Nurses wear comfortable shoes for walking a lot. The nurse walks many miles each day. She is tired after her shift ends. Nurses deserve respect for their hard work. The nurse never complains about her job. She loves helping people get better every day. Nurses work as part of a team. The nurse talks to the doctor about me. They discuss my treatment plan together carefully. Nurses use many medical tools and equipment. The nurse brings a thermometer to check temperature. She uses a stethoscope to hear my heart. Nurses must keep everything clean and sterile. The nurse washes her hands before touching patients. She wears gloves when giving me an injection. Nurses protect patients from getting infections in hospital. The nurse cleans my wound very gently today. She changes my bandage twice a day regularly. Nurses make patients feel calm when they are scared. The nurse holds my hand before the procedure begins. She tells me everything will be fine very soon. I am nervous, but the nurse makes me smile. Nurses have to be good at communicating with people. The nurse speaks clearly so I can understand everything. She listens carefully when I describe my pain levels. Nurses need to understand many different languages sometimes today. The nurse calls a translator to help us talk. She makes sure I understand all the instructions completely. Nurses educate patients about staying healthy after leaving hospital. The nurse tells me what food I should eat. She explains which activities I can do at home. Nurses give advice about taking medicine correctly at home. The nurse writes down all the instructions for me. She checks that I understand everything before I leave. Nurses work in clinics and doctors' offices too regularly. Some nurses visit patients at their homes every week. The nurse comes to my house to check on me. She brings all her medical equipment in a bag. Nurses can work in schools taking care of students. The school nurse helps children who feel sick during class. She checks if students have a fever or need medicine. Nurses also work in nursing homes with elderly people. The nurse at the nursing home is very patient. She helps elderly people with their daily activities and needs. Nurses must continue learning throughout their entire careers always. The nurse takes classes to learn about new treatments. She reads medical journals to stay informed about changes. Nurses attend conferences and training sessions regularly throughout the year. The nurse is studying for an important exam next month. She wants to specialize in working with heart patients. Nurses can have many different specialties in their careers. Some nurses work only in operating rooms during surgeries daily. The surgical nurse helps the doctor during the operation today. She makes sure all the instruments are ready and clean. Nurses in the emergency room must work very fast always. The emergency nurse sees many patients every single day regularly. She must decide which patients need help most urgently now. Nurses remain calm even when the situation is very stressful. The nurse takes a deep breath and focuses on work. She knows her training has prepared her well for this. Nurses build strong relationships with their patients over time gradually. The nurse remembers my name and asks about my family. She makes me feel like I am important to her. Nurses celebrate when their patients recover and go home finally. The nurse is happy to see me walking today. She says I have made excellent progress this week. Nurses sometimes feel sad when patients do not get better. The nurse tries her best to help everyone every day. She knows she is making a difference in people's lives. Nurses work during holidays when others are celebrating with family. The nurse is working on Christmas Day this year again. She misses her family but knows patients need her help. Nurses sacrifice a lot to take care of other people. The nurse does not complain about missing important family events. She chose this career because she wants to help others. Nurses need support from their colleagues and supervisors at work. The nurse talks to other nurses about difficult days sometimes. They understand each other's challenges and frustrations at work. Nurses must take care of their own health too always. The nurse makes sure she eats healthy food every day. She tries to get enough sleep between her shifts regularly. Nurses need to exercise and manage stress levels effectively daily. The nurse goes for a walk after work to relax. She practices deep breathing to stay calm under pressure always. Nurses are the backbone of the healthcare system everywhere today. Hospitals cannot function properly without nurses working hard every day. The nurse is often the first person patients see daily. She is also the last person to check before bedtime. Nurses spend more time with patients than doctors usually do. The nurse knows all the details about each patient's condition. She can notice small changes that might be important medically. Nurses advocate for their patients when something is not right. The nurse speaks up if she thinks treatment should change. She makes sure the patient's voice is heard by everyone. Nurses show compassion even on their most difficult days at work. The nurse takes time to comfort a crying patient today. She understands that being in hospital is scary for people. Nurses treat every patient with dignity and respect, always regardless. The nurse closes the curtain to give me privacy now. She knocks before entering my room every single time politely. Nurses make a difference in people's lives every single day. The nurse helped me when I was very sick last month. I will never forget her kindness and professional care then. Nurses are heroes who do not wear capes at all. The nurse is my hero because she saved my life. She worked quickly and calmly during my emergency situation then. Nurses deserve our gratitude and appreciation every single day always. I want to thank all nurses for their service worldwide. The nurse smiles and says she loves her job deeply. She feels proud to be a nurse every day. Nurses inspire others to join the medical profession too. My daughter wants to be a nurse like her. The nurse encourages her to study hard in school always. Nurses make the world a better place for everyone. The nurse will continue helping people for many years ahead. She is committed to providing excellent care to all patients. Nurses are essential workers who deserve respect and fair pay. The nurse is going home now after a long shift. Tomorrow she will come back to help more people. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.